How to check last seen on Instagram if it is hidden. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now right off the bat, there is no actual way on how you can go ahead and see the last seen on Instagram if it is completely hidden, but I'm going to show you different ways or tricks on how you can go ahead and somewhat do this. So first things first, you want to go ahead and open up your Instagram application. And once inside the Instagram application, you can just go ahead and navigate through the messaging icon at the top right corner of your screen, where we can go ahead and see our conversations on Instagram. Now inside the conversation section, we can then go ahead and see the statuses of our friends right here. For example, we have the first one, which is active around 18 weeks ago. And for example, I have the second person right here, which is active yesterday. You also have this one, which is active at 1 week. You have the third one at 3 weeks and more. You can just go ahead and look through the last activity that they have right here in order to see whether they have last seen you on Instagram. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. And as always, thank you.